The future of this association, I think, is going to grow. I think we've done some really valuable work. I think our strategic planning for the future and historicization will make us a leader in the industry and position us for many great things to come as an industry leader.
As much as hard as we do work, the fun part of this of this organization and the fun part of this event is the team building exercises that we work through, as well as all of the opportunities to meet different people from different organizations, but also have some fun and a little bit of competition, because a little bit of competition behind the scenes never really hurt when we're trying to build trust and build partnerships. So it's super fun. And as we look to the future, it's really important for IAHTM to grow and to bring up that next group of people who are going to be leading both their organizations and this industry as we move into the future. So we hope that this is really the basis for that growth.